So hello everyone, happy Easter. Finally my friends have time to go to the waterfall because she's always working every day, but now it's Easter, so we can go to CAN-UMANTAD waterfall. It's 40 minutes drive from Manda, and we are going with my friends. It's 6 people, so 3 people there, 3 people here. So we just arrived to the rice terrace and we realized that we can walk down to the waterfall. We can actually go down with scooter, I heard that, but it's better to walk. It's more authentic to walk and nice exercise.
My legs is shaking because of this super long stairs. How about you?
No, it's okay. My friends come here to the waterfall and they won't swim. I don't understand. I don't really understand why, because waterfall is fun because of the swimming. But they just come here and enjoy the view and the place. So you won't swim? Just in the clothes. Okay, but I'm going to try out the water. I hope it's not going to be too cold, but the other locals are surviving, so I guess I will too. Let's have fun. This waterfall is so cool! Did you enjoy? Of course! Guys, it's my 5 months here. Yeah! Taking for round? It's difficult to go on the front because it's very slippery and now it's moving also, so it's adventure. So we are just finished and it was an amazing experience. We were spending time like 1.5 to 2 hours here. The water temperature was fine, refreshing, and the place is just so authentic and nice. We had so much fun. I shot the drone. We took some photos, and also, of course, we enjoyed just swimming in the water. But my friends, Mario didn't swim, so he decided to go up to the scooters and bring it down, so we don't have to go back to the stairs. Yeah, it's awesome. And now I can show you where you can actually park if you don't want to do these stairs from the rice fields. I guess it's just a few minutes, folks, because I already hear some other scooters. So actually you don't have to go to the rice terrace. You can just come here and park near the waterfall. Yeah, it's like 2 minutes walk. much easier than the stairs. I mean, the stairs was okay. It was very nice from the rice terrace to come down, but of course it's more tiring and exhausting. I'm a little bit scared because now we are going with the scooter and I'm going to have to take 3 people on my scooter, and it's a little bit high, steep, but I guess it's an adventure. So my friend Mario was not swimming, so while we were swimming, he decided to go back to the scooter because he didn't want us to go up the stairs again. And he brought down his scooter, and then he decided to take me to my scooter so I can bring everyone up. But it was so scary because it was so steep. I was afraid that it's too dangerous for me to bring 3 people on my scooter in that steep area. So I was a little bit afraid, and I didn't think that it's such a good idea, especially that scooter ride was like 7-8 minutes, and I think we could just walk up in 15 minutes. And then I had a problem. I left my scooter key at my bag. So Marion had to go back again and come back again, and we go back again and take everybody up. Actually, it was not so dangerous as I was thinking. It was very fun, but to drive back for 40 minutes with 3 people is very exhausting. But I guess the locals are used to it. So it was so much fun. See you in my next adventures. And of course, if you like my content, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, to my Facebook, and also my TikTok. The name is Greg Coffee Adventures on every platform. See you there!